welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing this mermaid look right here for Halloween. It's actually much easier than you would think it is. Just make sure you get fishnets, not what I used, because then it's so much harder. But if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I already have my foundation, concealer, and setting powder on under my eyes and on my smile lines. And since this is a mermaid look, I think of like dewy and like luminous. So I'm going to go in with some liquid highlighter, and this is from Alginist. And I'm going to put it over here. And I'm just going to take this small Morphe E8 brush to blend it out. So for the eyes, I'm not sure yet exactly what look I'm gonna go for, but I know I want to use pinks and blues from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I think I'm just gonna figure it out as I go along. I'm gonna also be using the ColourPop Ooh La La palette. I'm gonna be taking this baby blue shade here and putting it in the crease on both eyes. And this is a Complexions International 21 brush. And I'm going to go in now with the BH Cosmetics No. 8 brush from the Rose Quartz palette. And instead of dabbing it into the blue and trying to blend it, I'm going to pack it on and then blend it. Now I'm just going to be taking this darker blue right here and trying to darken up the first blue I put in my eyes. If I'm looking down, it's because the mirror is right here. And now with the brush from the Rose Quartz brush set from BH No. 6, I'm going to be taking the shade Sandbar in the ColourPop Ooh La La palette. And I'm going to be placing it a little bit lower than that second shade that I put. And it's probably going to come out purple instead of pink. Now for the lid shade, I'm going to be taking the shade Tickled. That's a really pretty shade, but there was some fallout, so I'm just going to take my powder brush and dust it away. for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking two ColourPop E9 brushes, and I'm going to be doing the blue first. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do the blue first and then the purple, or the purple and then the blue. I think I'm going to do the purple and then the blue. So for the most part it turned purple, but you can still kind of see some blue and the pink, but that's okay because I'm gonna do a pink lip. So for the scales, I could not find fishnets anywhere, so I just found these like gloves that you can wear for Halloween. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try to put it like this and like hold it in my mouth. Okay, it's working. But do not try this at home. If you're gonna do this look, make sure you get proper fishnets because this shit is hard. So the forehead's a little bit more tricky, but I'm trying to make it work. I really wish I could have found a normal fishnet. So I found a more efficient way to do my forehead. Moment of truth. I did it. I did it. Thank God. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Pro palette, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here. So the camera cut out as I did the highlighter on this side, which is really pretty. So I'm going to apply it now to this side. And I'm still using this same palette. Now I'm going to apply my lip, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Liquid Katsu in the shade Pink Really Hard. And from this same palette, I'm going to be taking this white shade here and dabbing it over top of the lipstick. And now I'm going to be adding gems, and these ones already come with glue. So that's it for the jewels, but I'm gonna go off camera now to apply my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. And this is it for this mermaid look. I had my hair in 2 braids over the weekend, well, over the course of like 3 days. So It's really curly because I feel like mermaids kind of have that wavy hair. So if you really like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.